What is up, everybody? It's Wit here, and today we're going to work on carving our own stamp. Right now what I'm doing is just taking down the size of the stamp on a separate piece of paper so I can go ahead and work on my design without dirtying up that stamp. If it is your first time carving stamps, I very highly suggest that you keep your designs nice and simple until you get a handle of your carving tools. For this project, I've chosen to draw my one-eyed little alien character named Zor. The rounded shapes will be very fun and satisfying to cut, as you'll see a little bit later on. Right, I forgot to mention that this is actually drawn on transfer paper, that way I can easily transfer that right onto my stamp. Also, you can get these stamps just for a couple bucks each online, under the name Rubber Block or Linoleum Block. If you've never worked with transfer paper before, all you have to do is draw your design on one side, flip the paper over onto your stamp, and then just trace your design. That'll transfer it right over. Just keep in mind that the design will be mirrored. Once my design is transferred, I'm taking a Posca pen and going over it one more time to thicken up those lines. This is optional depending on your design, but if it is your first time carving a stamp, I do recommend using thicker lines. And finally, it's time to get carving. All you need for this is a very simple carving tool. Mine comes with 3 removable heads that come in 3 different sizes, and I think this is just perfect for beginners. This is that satisfying cut I was telling you about before. Alright, enjoy the carving process, and I'll see you at the end to test our stamp out. Alright guys, check it out. Stamp is all carved and ready to go. I had actually just filmed myself using it, but my camera died halfway through, so that's why it's kind of dirty. But let me go ahead and show you how to do this. So I'm just going to use this envelope to spread my ink on. You guys can use whatever you want, I'm just trying to keep my table clean. This is my Speedball ink in black. I've actually had it sitting in my closet for about a year, so it's not the best. It's just a little bit chunky, but it'll do for now. Alright, now you're just going to take a roller like this, mine is Speedball brand, and you're just going to roll that ink out. Make sure you get it all over that roller. And once you do, you're going to go ahead and roll that right onto your stamp. And make sure you're covering it up completely. Normally you won't need this many passes, but like I said, my ink is pretty old and it's kind of drying out, so I just want to make sure I'm getting it on there really good. Now I'm going to take a label 228 and go ahead and lay that right on top, line it up as best as I can. Then I'm going to take a random book. It can be any book, it doesn't have to be any good, because we're just going to use it to push that stamp down onto our label. Alright, let's see what we've got. Ooh, look at that. Looks like our stamp worked out perfect. Let me know what you guys think. And if you end up using this video to make a stamp of your own, please let me know. I would absolutely love to see them. The best way to reach me would be on Instagram at @withthemisfit. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, it would really help me out if you subscribed. If you like that video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Bye!